Hello everyone. Happy December 7th. Today we celebrate cotton candy, remembrance, and civil aviation. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Cotton Candy Day. A fluffy, sugary delight. A great gift could be a cotton candy machine, a pastel-colored mug, or a carnival-themed kit. What's your favorite fair treat? Let's swirl the comments. It's Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day. A solemn day of reflection and honor. A thoughtful gift could be a history book, a memorial candle, or a donation to a veterans group. Let's honor together in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 18 days away, and the countdown is moving faster than holiday lights twinkle. And finally, it's International Civil Aviation Day, celebrating flight and connection. A sweet gift could be a model airplane kit, a travel journal, or an aviation poster. Where would you fly today? Let's soar in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 6th to 11th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.